Westminster Shorter Catechism, question and answer 25. Quaestio, vicesima et quinta, qua ratione exequitur Christus munus sacerdotis. Responsio, Christus exequitur sacerdotale munus, semet ipsum, semel in sacrificium offerendo, quo justitiae divinae satisfaceret, nosque Deo conciliaret pro ut etiam perpetuo pro nobis intercedendo. The question then, qua ratione, by what reason, by what method, in what way, or more simply, how, does Christ fulfill, execute, complete the munus sacerdotis? Munus here is neuter, singular, and accusative. It's the object of exequitur, which is a deponent verb, and sacerdotis is masculine, singular, and genitive, the office or the function of a priest, sacerdotis. Now the responsio, the answer. Christ executes or completes the sacerdotale munus. Now we have munus, the same noun, also in neuter, singular, and accusative, but instead of using a genitive noun to accompany it, we have an adjective form, sacerdotale, the adjectival form, same gender, number, and case. Christ executes the priestly office. He does so in two ways, both of them represented by gerunds, offerendo and intercedendo. So the first gerund, offerendo, by offering up semet ipsum, his very own self. This is an emphatic form, semet ipsum, masculine, singular, and accusative, once for all, semel, one time, as a sacrifice, in sacrificium. Semel is an adverb. The preposition in here with the accusative is expressing purpose. He does this, now we have a relative clause of characteristic, expressing purpose. He does this, quo, in order that he may satisfy, satisfaceret, justitiae divinae, make satisfaction to divine justice. Relative clause, that's what the quo introduces. Here with satisfaceret, the imperfect subjunctive, which patterns with the dative, feminine singular and dative in particular, because this is an intransitive verb. The second purpose of his offerendo, in addition to satisfaceret, and he may reconcile, conciliaret, us unto God. Conciliaret then is the verb. It's a first conjugation, imperfect, subjunctive active from concilio, conciliare. It takes an accusative object, masculine, plural, accusative here, nos, and the dative indirect object, deo, in order to satisfy divine justice and to reconcile us to God. Now the second way in which Christ fulfills the office of a priest, pro ut etiam, just as also perpetuo pro nobis intercedendo, by interceding. So the first one was offerendo, now intercedendo. Both of these neuter nouns are neuter singular and ablative, ablatives of instrument, neuter nouns, that is, gerunds. And by interceding for us, pro nobis, on our behalf, perpetually, continually, perpetuo, which is an adverb. Another member of the Westminster Assembly here, Simeon Ash, died 1662 A.D., date of birth unknown. Here he is with a tiny little skull in his office, reminding him of his mortality.